Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business and we make cakes, meat pie, donuts, spring rolls, samosa and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices. You can contact us with the information provided on the screen. Today's recipe is about the making of groundnut soup. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and kindly turn on your post and notification icon so that you can get notified anytime I post a new video. The ingredients for today's recipe include beef, half-pound hard chicken, Wele salmon, 2 tablespoons of salt, groundnut paste, tomato paste, which is the medium-sized tomato paste, garden eggs, red pepper, turkey berry, and red onions. Let's begin. Wash the garden eggs, turkey berries, and red pepper and put them in a saucepan. Add a little bit of water and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. When the turkey berries, garden eggs and red pepper are cooked, let it sit for about 5 minutes for the steam to cool off, and then pour it into a blender. Add a little bit of water and blend the ingredients. Now in a bowl, wash your beef and Wele and put them in a saucepan. Now add in your grinded ginger, onion and garlic paste in the saucepan. Wash the chicken and add it in the saucepan as well. Wash your salmon and put it in the pan and add in 1.5 red onions. Cut or dice 1.5 of the red onions into the saucepan. Add in the saucepan the other half of the onion left and then sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt on it. Allow the meat cook for about 20 minutes. Add some water into the blender to dilute the blended ingredients. Put a colander onto the saucepan and pour the diluted ingredients from the blender into the saucepan through the colander. Stir the meat and the blended ingredients together and allow it boil for 25 minutes. Pour the tomato paste and the groundnut paste into a bowl and then adjust it according to the quantity of the soup you are making. Use the ladle to stir the groundnut paste and the tomato paste together until they are both evenly mixed and combined. After mixing the two together for a moment, switch to the use of your hands to mix it up thoroughly, breaking all other particles that are left in it. Continue to mix it until it loosens up like you see in the video being displayed. Pour a little bit of water into the mixture and continue mixing it. Mix it gradually to ensure that there are no lumps in it. This is how it should look after it is well mixed and everything is well combined together. Now add into the saucepan the groundnut paste and the tomato paste mixture. Stir the soup to ensure that everything is well mixed and then let it boil for 30 to 35 minutes or as long as possible, because if the groundnut soup is not well cooked and you consume it, you are going to have a running stomach, so it's best to allow it to cook for a while to ensure that everything is well prepared. Our soup is ready. This soup can be paired with either banku, rice ball or fufu, or even plain rice. This is the Ghanaian way of preparing groundnut soup. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till we meet again. Bye.